guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the damage or the corroded auto pool water leveler, and this is the Waterco part right here. It has a black ball at the end, so when the water rises it will push the ball up and that will stop the water from releasing from the pipe. Okay, so when the pool water is lower due to waterways or evaporations, then the ball will comes down and that will forces the valve to release more water. Now the water meant to be coming down at the bottom here, but because there is corrosion on both sides here, so the water is leaking through the side at the top here. Now if I push the ball down, you can see more water will come out. And it should not be doing this. Water should be coming down at the bottom here, as you can see. Okay, so if you happen to have a broken or a corrosion part here, the valve here, we need to purchase a replacement part. Now Waterco no longer make these parts anymore. They do have a newer version, so you can purchase them or you can purchase any other part. This is a 3/8 inch, so if you look for a 3/8 inch, I will link the description, the details in the video description, and you can check it out. Here on the side, so this is how it works. Sorry. So on the side here, so from here it goes through to the side, and there is a box here with the plumbing work. Okay, and that will help to automatically, so the water go in here and it goes out to the side over here, and that basically helps raise the pool level up. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.